Hello and welcome back to the Super Affiliate Network, the Profit Boosting Bootcamp review. This is module 5 where we're going to be talking about how to find the winning offers that convert. And of course, if you haven't signed up yet, click on the link in the description box for you to be a part of this movement. My name is Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, I hope you enjoyed the module 4 review that we talked about the anatomy of the sales funnel process. $1 million. Yes, $1 million sales. And it takes you into the point of where your mindset starts thinking about a funnel process, what goes into the funnel process. And I hope you enjoyed that review. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and sign up in the description box. This is all about finding the winning offers that converts. That's so important in an online business structure, making money online, is that you want to find stuff that works. You don't want to be doing things that doesn't work. But something that does work is this whole entire bootcamp, profit boosting bootcamp. That way, if you're a new person, this is a step-by-step process that can help you have some success. Now, results are not typical, but yes, finding the winning offers is very, very important. Now, in this video here, I'm going to play a little bit of this video, not too much of it, mainly because I want you to go back over the entire video for you really get a really good understanding of how to find a winning offer that converts. Let me play this video.
And find a product in the, let's say, health and fitness world, all right? I work out usually 5 times a week. And let's go ahead and come down here to health and fitness and men's health. As you can see, they have subcategories of all of the various different sub niches within the primary niche. And a niche is just, a little segment of the market essentially, all right? So let's look at...
Okay, this is just talking about a winning offer that converts. This is what you're looking at right there. That's ClickBank. That's another opportunity for you can make money online, but you do need to have the right formula and the right training aspects in there. And this video training really talks about it and teaches you how to do that. Now, I want you to watch this video. It's a little bit over 46 minutes, but it's going to give you the information and the training to be able to find the winning offers that converts. I'm telling you, something like this is good for newbies, beginners, experts, intermediate. It doesn't matter because information, really good information, is always good. You can always learn something from it, even if you watch this multiple times. Now, here it just talk about finding winning offers, and these are a couple of links that basically how to do it. ClickBank, JVZoo, and Cash Network. All those are platforms of how you can make money online. You can make money for just about finding the right offers. That way you need to watch this video training, but you really would understand exactly what I'm talking about. Now, right here, it says there is Billy Aiken, and he talks about his own testimonial in terms of the Super Affiliate Network. Let me go ahead and play this video right here. I'm telling you, it's another student case study that went through this process and able to get results. Once again, income results are not typical, but let me go ahead and play this video for you to understand exactly what Billy's all about.
Hey everyone, Billy Aiken here, doing this quick testimonial for the Super Affiliate Network. Now, just like you, I was very overwhelmed and spinning my wheels trying to find the right opportunity to develop a full-time income online. I invested thousands of dollars into dozens of different systems and programs only to come up empty-handed and frustrated and ready to quit. And it wasn't until I found a video just like this one of someone that was finding a lot of success with this system, so I decided to go ahead and give it a try. And I'm so thankful that I did because I get to sit before you today, having generated multiple $1,000 days within my business, and I get to stay home with my family, was able to quit my job, and have financial peace due to the tools that the Super Affiliate Network...
That was Billy Aiken. He's talking about his testimonial of the Super Affiliate Network. He is another student success story that went through this program just like you are right now. What you're watching this video, he took action just like this on an opportunity with the Super Affiliate Network, and he went to the Profit Boosting Bootcamp, and now he's able to have success. Now, income results are not typical, just like the disclaimer says that you've seen here right now, but we want you to be in a position where you have the chance of having success. Now, let me go back over here before. Remember, we were talking about the winning offers. We're talking about ClickBank. If I click on ClickBank there, it definitely takes me to ClickBank. and it teaches me on the ClickBank situation. And then let me go ahead and back up a little bit. And then JVZoo takes me to JVZoo. Cash Network takes me to Cash Network. So when you get to this page here, you'll get an opportunity to go right to those websites and signing up as well, which is really, really cool. So you can click on these websites there and sign up for those programs and use the training that you're learning in the bootcamp of finding the winning offers. Now, after this, I want you to do, when you go through all this, at least once or twice, you want to go ahead and fill this information out, and this goes to your advisor. Your advisor get the opportunity to review it and talk to you about more about your takeaways and things that you need to do on the next module as well. Now, the next module is going to be module 6. This is module 5. Yeah, this is module 5. Module 6 will be next. I'll do a review over that as well. Be sure to go ahead and watch these videos once again, multiple times. That way you understand exactly what this is all about. And don't forget, if you have not signed up yet, make money online, create success online, and build a business that you always wanted with that freedom lifestyle. You definitely want to click on the link below in the description box and start today. Super Affiliate Network signing up. You want to go ahead and do that if you haven't already. You can become one of a success story like Ace and Rich, who I was talking about yesterday, and today Billy Aiken. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video, module 6 on the review. My name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel in this video, and I'll see you on the next video.